This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Futures Trading Easy Guide. Start by opening a Coinbase Pro account and enabling futures permissions. Verify identity and fund your wallet with USD or crypto. Choose the contract you want and review leverage options carefully. Set stop loss and take profit orders to control risk. Practice in a demo or with small positions until you feel comfortable with order types and margin mechanics. Select the contract and choose the order type that matches your plan, such as limit, market, or stop. For precise entries, use a limit order and widen your price only if necessary. If you need immediate execution, choose a market order, but expect slippage on high volatility. Always attach a stop loss and consider a take profit to lock gains while you manage leverage and position size responsibly throughout the trade. Risk management matters more than picking the right direction. Size your position to limit losses to a small percentage of your capital. Reduce leverage when markets are choppy and set clear stop losses to avoid emotional exits. Keep an eye on funding rates and rollover costs for maintained positions and diversify across strategies. Regularly review performance and treat each trade as part of a long-term learning process rather than.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.